What is up, guys, and welcome back to Lifebuilds. Guess what? It is time to go snowmobiling.
Woo! Woo! All right, Michael, what are we doing today? Tell me all about it.
Alrighty, so last night, Bluewood Mountain, which is where we're at right now, got 16 inches of fresh snow. Which means it's time for the very first ride on our new snow. So if you guys haven't been following along, we have a 2012 RMK 800. We have a Skidoo Summit 800. Swinging the camera is Colby, my best friend. We're going riding today. And you guys know me, I'm Michael. It is going to be epic. So let's get started. First ride of the season got me like. You need help, buddy? He looks like he's got it. But I'll go down there and make fun of him anyways. Oh, this is some good powder, baby. Got him. First ride of the season, baby. Oh, I was making fun of Colby. Shouldn't have done that. Oh, this thing's heavy. Snowmobiles are working good. We're just checking them out, making sure, because this is the test run, you know, we don't really want to get stranded 15 miles in the boonies. Polaris is doing really good. Skidoo is doing really good. It's kind of smelling kind of funny, but I think it's just the wrap getting customed or whatever.
Getting custom.
I think these snowmobiles might be faster
than our last year's,
because I can wheelie that one really easily now. Oh, something, it just really wants to go. I don't really know. We're gonna switch sleds and see if there's a little bit of difference, see how it's comfortable, X, Y, and Z. Okay, see if we can go up that. Nothing. Uh-oh, rolled the sled, hit a rock here. All right. Woo! I really need to turn this thing off. Oh man. Oh yeah, baby. Oh. That's the rocks I hit. I tried. Oh. Okay, so we've been riding for about 45 minutes now, and I just rolled the RMK down about a 30-foot hill because I got to the top, hit a section of rocks, and it just went over. Colby's been here for about 20 minutes. He's not vibing. We've tried to make it up this hill a couple times, but we're stuck in this kind of like divot here, and we're exhausted. But we're tunnel deep in the skidoo. We'll get her out. Other than that, weather's nice. Let's get them out. We have stopped here for a little bit of lunch. This has been very humbling because at the end of last season we were doing really good. But I don't know, man. New sleds, new terrain. We've never ridden up here before. We are embarrassing ourselves, which is pretty funny. But hey, you know what? That's what shakedown runs are for. We're having a blast. Colby's snacking a little bit. Burned a lot of energy. I'm gonna eat a little bar here, and then we're gonna go play in a meadow. So one of the interesting things that's happening with our GoPros is it's so cold out here, they just keep saying dead battery, even though they were fresh batteries this morning. So what we're trying to do is we're putting batteries in the tunnel bag. That's why this footage is really sparse today, because I don't know, they're just not warming up. It's really cold. Colby's trying to practice some powder moves over here. There you go. Walk it. Get on that side. There you go. There you go. Nice, dude. There, he's getting better. That's what I'm talking about. Had a little casualty. Hit a tree here. Well, we're having a good time.
We're working on it.
We're working on it. He's a little tired. But, we're having fun. We're out here. and we're gonna get back to some more riding. We got our first carnage of the day. Little side panel, no biggie, but getting around the corner and hit the tree. She's toast. It's okay. We're out here having a good time. Okay guys, just like that, we are back from the mountains, and boy, was that an interesting day. As I told you earlier, the GoPros were kind of messing around. We had 6 batteries, and we probably got maybe 30 minutes of footage. Oh, it was horrible. I don't know. I mean, you'd think GoPros can handle cold, but every single battery just would die immediately we'd turn on. So that's why it was kind of spotchy, but whatever. We had a mental day. It was super fun. It was a shakedown run. So both skis, both sleds actually turned out to run really good. We were a little worried about this one. It's carb rated, but hey, honestly, it did really good. I'm gonna pass it off to the man, the myth, the legend, the tree magnet.
Oh my goodness. Ah! Today was so annoying. Okay, it was my first day snowmobiling in a year, so I'm gonna give myself that much. But I was pulling some stuff that I should have known better. I mean, look, we're missing half a windshield. Well, we have it, but it's broken. That panel got smashed into a tree. We can fix it, no biggie. And I backed this sled up into another tree, so the back end is all messed up. So I managed to break 3 different parts. I rolled this snowmobile and that snowmobile for combined times of 6 times in the powder. Michael had to pull me out for 4 of them and pick it up with me. I think a valuable lesson was learned today in humility, and that I'm not as good as I thought I am, and that's okay. It's a little annoying, but hey, we made it. We're here. The day is over. We will have much better days than today.
Absolutely.
And if we were more practiced and more into the groove, today would have been perfect because there was like at least 2 feet of powder. Oh, it was so nice.
It was so nice.
It was going up to my knee in some spots. So,
well, that kind of summarizes up the day. We're going again. I'm going in like 3 days with another one of my friends, and yeah, we learned a lot. I mean, I was kind of surprised with how I was doing today because we were just talking about this at the end of last year when I broke my wrist. We ended snowmobiling season, and we were just starting to get into like 3 feet of powder. So most of the stuff we had ridden last year was trail riding, and that's very different than what we're riding today. But we had that confidence in our head of like, oh, we can ride hard. And as you guys saw at the beginning of the day, when I tried to go up that chute or that face, I hit a rock underneath it and freaking dumped the sled. And it's like, hey, maybe I should have waited for that for a couple more feet of snow. But all in all, phenomenal day of riding, and no hard feelings. We had a couple gummy bears.
Thank you for that. Appreciate that.
We had a couple granola bars, and we're all good. So, with that being said, smash that subscribe button. I mean, just for the windshield, smash the subscribe button.
Please.
Like this video for the back end of this sled, and comment down below what your favorite part of the sled that we broke today was. And I'll see you guys next week.